A man claiming to be a former terrorist stirred up debate tonight at Michigan State University. He says he was once a member of one of the oldest terror groups in the world, the Palestine Liberation Organization. And now he's speaking out against that same group.
While his message often sparks controversy, as Stephanie Culp explains, many say tonight's speech also made for a healthy debate.
Exploding bombs and fighting are almost an everyday event in the Middle East.
Death to America, destruction to America.
It's a world that Walid Shoebat grew up in.
I planted a bomb on the roof of the bank in Bethlehem, Bank Leumi, Israel, and it exploded. A few minutes later, no one was killed.
Shoebat says he was once a terrorist himself, but now today he's speaking out against the same religion that led him to violence.
Islam is connected to the mindset of the radicals. So you can't divorce the religion from the radical.
It's that message against radical Islam that often upsets many. And while MSU was ready for some of that anger tonight, instead the audience came with peaceful questions.
I'm concerned about what I'm seeing happening in Europe.
So what can be done to, I guess, solve the problem? Yeah.
So while everyone might not agree with Shoebat's ideas, many say it's his opinions that help create healthy discussion. In East Lansing, Stephanie Culp, 6 News.
Now, in reaction to Shoebat's visit, the American Council on American Islamic Relations said in a statement, quote, Walid Shoebat is either a fraud or he should be detained by the Justice Department for being involved with a supposed terrorism attack in Israel, end quote.